Yo, what's going on, guys? Joe Baravecchio here. I'm back at it with another video. Today we're going to be going into the best credit card that you could use for order fulfillment for both Amazon and eBay dropshipping. This one will work for both of these business models. So before we get into that, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. I'm down to make whatever type of content for you guys that you'll enjoy. So with that being said, right now we're going to hop inside my computer. I'm going to show you the website on which card we're going to choose. It's an American Express card. And then we'll go into some of the details and why I think this is a good pick. And from there, I'll give you guys a couple other suggestions. So let me jump inside my computer now. Okay, guys, now we're inside my computer. I'm on the American Express website. This is just the home page. It'll come up like this. I'll show you. Just go to AmericanExpress.com. We're going to go to business. These are going to be business credit cards. Reason being is that they're actually a little bit better for what we're trying to do. And I really do not recommend, if you can avoid it, try not to put any business charges on your personal card. It will... If you're running an e-com store, it'll partly ruin your credit because if you're scaling, you'll use too much of your limit. I definitely recommend getting an LLC and using a business card for sure. So we're going on here, the business credit cards solutions, and we're going to scroll to right here, the American Express Plum Card. So I'm going to click on it. By far, I think this is the best charge card that you can use for order fulfillment. So if you don't know what a charge card is a card without a preset spending limit. When American Express uses charge cards, they'll give you a limit that they based on your previous history. So, you know, if you're normally spending $10,000 a month on your credit card and paying it off, they'll probably grant you a little bit more on the charge card. And if you start to spend more and you pay it off, they'll let you use more and more. So it's basically based off of your patterns. There's no number is exactly what you can spend. So the reason I like this card is as follows. First, there's a $0 intro annual fee, which is, you know, that's pretty standard. It's $250 after that year, so the second year. But I think this is worth it, and it's worth it to pay the annual fee, and here's why. So this charge card gives you the option to pay in full each month or carry a balance for up to 60 days with no interest. So what that means is with this card, you have 60 days to pay when your statement closes, which is really good. That gives you time to scale your business, because when you're running an Amazon store, Amazon dropshipping store, and you're starting to scale, it's going to take longer for you to get all of your money because they hold money for 2 weeks. There's also basically unavailable versus available balance. We've gone into that in previous videos. So this is really, really helpful. Furthermore, you'll earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on the portion of your balance that you pay within 10 days of your closing date. So unlimited 1.5%, there's other cards that have that. Chase, Inc. Unlimited, I think it is, that has that feature. However, with this card, if you pay it within 10 days, you get that unlimited. Or if you didn't pay it and you needed more time, you can extend it to 60 days. No, you wouldn't get the 1.5%, but it gives you a lot of flexibility with your business. And being that this is a charge card and the annual fee is the cheapest, I'm pretty sure, of any of the charge cards that American Express has, this is definitely my pick, and for the reasons that we've talked about. Especially because with this flexibility, like I said before, with Amazon being a little bit weird about how you do and don't get your money, this is super, super helpful for you, because when Amazon holds money for a little bit, it gives you 60 days to pay that balance, but it could sneak up on you too if you didn't pay off your balance. It probably would sneak up on you because after 60 days, you'd have a really big balance. But this is definitely worth it for you trying to run a legitimate business and have the best cash flow opportunity. By far, you can't beat this card. So I'm going to go to a couple of the other cards that American Express offers. So like specifically cashback, I like cashback cards. I have this one, the Blue Business Cash. This is a card that gives you 2% up to $50,000 and then 1% after that, which is pretty good. So I use this for around $50,000 of my fulfillment. I have I think it's a $23,000 limit on this card. So this is really helpful as well. And another one that I do like would be, where is it? Oh, right here. The Blue Business Plus card is also really good. It gives you 2 times points up to 50,000 and then 1 points after. So again, this is just unlimited 1x points. This is essentially the same exact rewards that you would get with the Platinum card, because for order fulfillment, you're not spending points on flights and hotels so you're not going to get 5x points there when you're running this with order fulfillment. Also, this card's super expensive, obviously, per year with a $595 annual fee. For order fulfillment, it's not really that worth it because you don't get the best rewards. If you want a charge card, American Express, definitely go for the Plum. over the Platinum. Or if you want to get 2 cards, I would recommend both of these, the Blue Business Cash and Blue Business Plus, because they will give you 2% and 2x points up to 50,000. So that would be combined 100,000. You get to double your points and double your cash back. And then you get 1 after that, which is basically just as good as any of the other cards. Okay guys, that wraps up today's video. If you liked it, please leave a like, comment what you want to see next, or what credit cards you're using for your e-commerce business. I went over the best American Express cards that you could use. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Remember, there's new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 6 p.m.